I know a lot of you kids like dinosaurs. And here's our dinosaurs. Have letters on them. This is D and this is C. A, B, C, D. And this is another D dinosaur. And we have an A. What's missing here, boys and girls? What letter? We have A, C. What comes between C and A? Let's see if we can find a dinosaur. There's another A. Here is it a B? Yes, it's the B dinosaur. We have A, B, C, D. Boys and girls, look what I did. I put the dinosaurs. These are called stacking dinosaur toys. And you can see there's different kind of dinosaurs. Look at this one. I had to put him upside down. Now I have this little paper here, and it has some of the different ways you can do it. You see that? It says dinosaur stacking toys. So this will keep some of you really busy thinking, especially for you boys and girls who want to become engineers, creating things. And what I like about it, they're dinosaurs. Like I said, a lot of you like dinosaurs. So that was unboxing dinosaur stacking toy. There you go. I'm going to take off this top one here and see what happens. You can still stay. You got to be very careful when you're taking these off. So you can take off so they don't crash. Yeah. Start with the top ones first. Ooh, uh-oh. I'm taking off. And you can be counting them also. And they do have, like I said, letters on them, A, B, C, and then there's some dinosaurs that have numbers on them. Boys and girls, I want to review the A, B, C letters with you. So here we go. Smile. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, boys and girls!